Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making barbecue chicken nuggets and baked beans. So we've already got our barbecue sauce simmering away here on the stove because it takes just a little while to prepare, but once you make it, you've got it. You can use it for this recipe application, or if you increase the recipe, you can make enough and store it in the fridge for a couple of weeks. So inside of this pot we have some Coke Zero, some low sodium ketchup, apple cider vinegar, honey, liquid smoke, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. So that's what we've got in here. We've just whisked it all together and we've got it simmering away on the stove. You just want to do it, let all the flavors kind of come together. You can see a little bit of steam coming off. And you just want to taste it. You may need to adjust some of the seasonings to your own liking, but for the most part you can just let it simmer away and it'll be ready when we need it in just a little bit. So I've got two pans heating up here over medium-high heat. They both have a little bit of oil in the bottom, and for this one we're going to start sauteing a little bit of chopped onion. This is for our beans. I'm going to do this until they just become soft. A pinch of salt. And for our chicken, cut it up into nugget-sized pieces. We're going to go into the pan and begin to brown it. Season it. Pepper. Okay, so our onions are where we want them. We're going to add in our beans. Stir that up. And we've got our barbecue sauce, which we made earlier. Add it in. Stir it all together. And then let this heat through. And that's basically it for the beans. Alright, before our chicken is cooked all the way through, but is turned white at least on all sides, we can go ahead and begin adding our barbecue sauce. Now you could cook your chicken all the way through and then toss it in the barbecue sauce at the end, but I think putting it in the pan with the barbecue sauce just adds just a little bit more flavor. As soon as our chicken is cooked through, this dish is done. It's simple as that. Give them just a few more minutes. Alright, our chicken is done. So we'll plate this up and show you what it looks like in just a couple of minutes.